Hey Nathan, this is Paul. All you got to do is go to marketing and then go scheduled mass email. Now, if you have not signed up for this, you probably have to, just do a quick form, enter in the form, and then just say, I'm moving my CRM to this CRM. Click the little button that said you read the rules, and then click OK. And they usually approve it within a day or so. And then just go in and schedule a mass email, and then contacts through. You can basically do everybody that's in your sphere. So you click that, and of course it's going to come from you, and you should be the only one up there. And then what date you want to send it. You can't send it more than 24 hours, so you have to wait. You got to wait for permission to do it, and then you have to wait 24 hours. And these are all East Coast times, so this is really 11:30. This is really 3 o'clock. Now you could go in and create your email that you want to send, and it's pretty simple. You just start creating it. So if you want an image in that first box, you just drag over, put an image, browse, put the image in there. And then you can create the rows that you want. So for example, if I want this one to be a text image, I just drag text over here, put that in there. And then if you want a button for people to actually sign up, you would click that in there and then go content and then go button. And then you can create what that button is. You can tell where that CRM or where the URL goes, all that good stuff. If you wanted different rows in there, let's say I want 3 rows, you can do that and then just drag over what you want in there. Maybe get some dynamic content in there. Maybe you want some icons in there or whatever. So you can also do a little video in there if you want to do a video. You have to upload it into YouTube or Vimeo, whichever one you want to do. And then if you want to delete one, you can do that. And then once you've created that template and it's all good and you look good, you just click schedule and then send it out. The other way to do it is if you want to set it all up ahead of time, go into marketing, smart campaigns, templates, add an email template, call it whatever you want, then put the subject in there, do advanced editor, and then create it again. Okay. The other thing too is if you want to create it in Canva or something and then upload an image, just put that image in there and then hyperlink the image to the link that you want for them to sign up. So there's a couple different ways to do it, whichever one is easier for you. If you need help, just let me know. All right, have a good day.